This is where I sleep, yes, 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 yes. And this is the nature where I stay for a couple of days. After an amazing San Pedro ceremony, Chuma, abuelo, abuelito, which is a medicina, that you drink from a cactus. That's, yes, quite a thing. I'd like to talk with you and share with you. And the medicine got me more connected to myself, to my body, to breathing, to my energy, and to nature. So being here, meditating, being more with less distraction, more slow-paced, more connected, more grounded to myself, to nature. Aho mitako yasin. Abuelo achuma. Hey, water agua. So fun to film again, because I want to film because it's fucking awesome. But I'm always afraid of what people will think about me when I upload the videos, and some people will say that. But it doesn't matter, it's just voices, man. Share the light, share the love, share wisdom. It's amazing. Just one step every time. I'm getting more and more and better content, because this is what I want to do. I want to keep doing this stuff. I love it because I love doing it. It's so amazing. Been a good video, small video, just sharing a bit of the light. Much love to you all. Hope you are in good, well, and just fucking awesome to film again. It feels good. I'm gonna continue just being myself. Jobless. Woo-hoo.